Hey guys, Van here, and I just got the new Nerf rival Mastodon. Let's try to get it in. Where is it? Just found the Mastodon, finally. There it is. There it is. Somebody just shot at me. Really, Sam? Ow! Got in the head. It's gonna be 4 versus 1. Me versus 4 other kids.
Sam and his team.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sam and his team of non-trained ninjas.
Okay, go! Okay. One that I actually haven't faced against the Mega Mastodon.
This also helps as a mirror. Ah. Check it. Oh yeah. Down. Minor recording difficulties. Minor difficulties.
Oh, look, you don't have a gun anymore.
Oh crap. Uh-oh. He's missing. No, never mind, he's not. Okay. Nerf war with the guy with no gun. How nice. Okay. Sorry for the horrible recording. Uh-oh. Down. I can't really get a position. Here's my sister Deva.
I'm out of bullets.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all getting that fire? Get away. Woo! Missed. Okay, got some music playing. Oh no. I'm aiming for them up there. I see Hugh in my sights. Oh no, that's Sam. Got some bullets. Uh-oh. Yep. Woo! Hey, Hugh. Think I can see you. The land of Miss. Oh man. Sister's toys. Shot. Okay. Uh-oh. Out of ammo. Down. I'm being sniped from above. We're doing a pretty much free-for-all. Infinite lives. We're not scoring any points. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. I think I'm kind of in the safe zone. Never mind. Not in the safe zone. Ah. Okay. Come here. Oh my god. Loading my gun right now. Sitting on my couch.
We only use white bullets now.
Oh my god. Oh, it's scary. Ah. I'm being sniped from the railing above. I need some sort of cover. Ugh.
Like what?
Sorry about that dark spot in the corner. my iPad case sucks. It's really challenging trying to carry him. Get out of here. It's really challenging trying to carry my iPad around. So, yeah. Hopefully, when my iPod gets a new battery. Yes, I'm not new with electronics. Electronics sometimes need batteries.
Dang it!
You mess up your phone a lot. Or, in this case, my iPod Touch. Nothing to be proud of. I'm going for a run. Uh-oh. Ow! Oh. If any of y'all saw that, oh! Ah! My leg! Ah! This Nerf gun. Ah! Oh! Nerf bullets hurt. There's a tip of my mega gun. Oh, this is so harsh. It's because these aren't really Nerf bullets. They're plastic tipped. So they hurt way more. Whew! Close the safe. I'm not sure if I'm gonna run out of time or not. These might be my final days. My final days. Okay. Not full ammo. LBSG skills. Let's do this. Please leave in the comments how to make a screen video, which basically so I can record Minecraft videos on my iPad. Yeah. I'm gonna try. It's a challenge carrying around.
Just put the video thingy on the mantle.
Yeah. I can't set it up if you're shooting at me.
That's not the mantle.
I know it's not the mantle. Yeah, my recording sucks. Oh, right behind there. So tiny. Ow. Okay. You want it? You want a piece of this? Every single one of those missed. Boom. Okay, I think I might end this episode here. Please like and comment, and hopefully I can get some more subscribers. Bye.